Yes, good morning everyone. So guys, hope it is loud and clear to all of you. If yes, then just let me know and we can start with the class. Yes, all of you, good morning. Guys, good morning. Alright, so I'm getting the green signal. So friends, let's start today's session, and today's class is percentage. And this week is going to be a hectic week for you guys because we have a very good topic with us, which is to be considered as the backbone of arithmetic, right? And if you think about any exam which is based on this mathematical aptitude or quantitative aptitude, then percentage has a very crucial role in that exam actually, right? Because if you think about any question of quantitative aptitude, it will be solved with the help of percentage or the ratio and proportion. Even I can solve any question, right? And I'll teach you that also कि कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, right? So guys, let's start with percentage. And in percentage, you know, you will be, I mean, if you are taking this topic seriously, you will do the very fast calculation also, because in percentage, you know, fractional values are actually very important, right? For example, 20% is equal to what? So 1 by 5 is equal to 20%. Or let's say 3 by 8 is equal to what, right? So this we are going to study in this chapter, and this will be helping you a lot in doing fast calculation also, fine? So guys, let's start with the topic. And this is the YouTube channel where the classes are going on, fine? And this is the study material that we follow, and this is the test series, guys. Fine, and this is a Telegram channel and group for regular updates and discussions. And after that, these are some paid courses. So anyways, guys, let's start today's topic, which is percentage. And before starting the topic, we should discuss upon the fractional values, right everyone? So here we have a table of fractional values. So just look at this table, and we will try to learn all these values quickly. So everyone, just think about it, and yes, for that we should be smart enough in the calculation also, in basic division and multiplication, fine? So just tell me one thing, 1 by 1, obviously if you represent this in percentage, this will be 100%, right? Because 1 by 1 into 100% is 100%. Now 1 by 2 into 100, this will be 50%, obviously, right? Everybody clear with this? Now 1 by 3 is what percentage? It is 33, 1 by 3 percentage, or 33.33 percentage, everyone. 1 by 4 is 25%, 1 by 5 is 20%, 1 by 6, see everyone, 1 by 6 is 100 by 6 almost, right? Because 1 by 6 into 100, that becomes 100 by 6, 100 by 6 is 50 by 3, and this is 16, 2 by 3%. Guys, getting it or not? Everyone, fine? And similarly, 1 by 7 is 100 by 7. So 14 into 7 is 98. Then 2 is remainder. So 14, 2 by 7 percentage. Guys, getting it or not? 100 by 7 in the form of the mixed fraction is written like this. Everyone fine with this? Right? After that, 1 by 8. All of you. For 1 by 8, I would rather suggest you don't have to learn the value of 1 by 8. In fact, 1 by 1 is 100%. Half of this is 50%, half of this is 25, and half of this is 12.5. Guys, yes or no? 1 by 1 is 100, 1 by 2 is 50, 1 by 4 is 25, and 1 by 8 is 12.5. Everybody clear with this? Right? And then 1 by 9. 100 by 9. This is 11 1 by 9%. Okay? And 1 by 10 is 10%. Everybody fine now? Okay, after that, 1 by 11. 1 by 11 is 9 1 by 11%. Correct? 1 by 12. Guys, 1 by 12 is 100 by 12. Just think on it, 100 by 12. Both the numbers are divisible by 4. So this is 25 by 3. This is 8 1 by 3%. Everyone fine now? 1 by 12 is 8 1 by 3. Or simply you can think about it like, let's say 100 by 12. So 12 8s are 96, right? 8 4 by 12. So this is 1 by 3. Everyone fine now? Okay. Right? Clear? Okay. After that, 1 by 13, guys. 13 7s are 91, right? Fine with this, everyone? Huh? Okay. Then 1 by 14. 1 by 14 is 50 by 7. 1 by 14 is 50 by 7, which is 7 1 by 7%. Everybody clear? This is 7 1 by 7, right? Then 1 by 15. 15 6 are what? 90. Right? 1 by 7 is what? Sorry, 1 by 15 is what? 15 6 are 90. So 90, 10 by 15, which is 2 by 3. Or you can say about this, देखिए, 100 by 15. Both the numbers are divisible by what? 5. So 20 by what? 20 by 3. So this is 6 2 by 3, everybody. Right? 6 2 by 3. Fine. So these things you have to do, you know, logically. Fine. बात समझ में आ रही है? All of you? Okay, again. 1 by 17 is like 17 5s are this, 17 5s are 85. So 85, I mean 5, 15 by 17 ये तो हो जाएगा, ठीक है? So this is the normal thing. Everyone fine now? With all these calculation, hope you all are comfortable, ठीक है? And अगर नहीं है तो with the time आप हो जाएंगे, right? होना पड़ेगा actually, ठीक है? Okay, please try to learn these values, right? एक बार देखिए, just take 4-5 minutes, and after that we'll have a small discussion over it, right? Yes, all of you, just look at this and we'll have a small discussion over it, guys. This, right? Okay. So 3 into what? It should be close to 50. 3 into 16 is 48, right? 3 into 16 is 48. So 48, and then 2 is remainder, and then 3 is like denominator. So 16 2 by 3, right? All of you getting it? Everyone? Okay. So guys, let's have a brief discussion over it, right? So can you tell me what is 1 by 6, all of you? What is 1 by 6? 16 2 by 3. Yeah, good. What is 1 by 8? 12.5. Good. ठीक है. So let's have a brief discussion over it, guys. देखिए जरा. All of you, मुझे बताइए, what should I write over here? 50. Good. What should I write over here? 25. Very good. What should I write over here? 12.5. Very good. Now guys, this is 3 times of this, everyone. Right? What should be this? 75. Very good. So now 75%, as soon as you see 75%, you should think about 3/4. Clear, guys? Now 1/3. 33.33, huh? Or 33 1 by 3%. Now twice of this will be what, guys? 66 2 by 3%. Everyone good? Huh? Now 1/5, 20. All of you. Double of this, 40. Triple of this, 4 times of this, 80. All of you clear? Right? So it's not like कि आपको बहुत याद ही करना है. No. You just have to think about it and you just have to understand this clearly. Right? And yes, during the calculation, during the practice question, like practicing questions, ये चीजें जो हैं आप लोगों को automatically by heart हो जाएंगी. ठीक है? Okay. After that, now friends, 1 by 8 क्या होता है? Again, 1 by 8 is what? 12.5. Now guys, thrice of this, thrice of 12.5 will be what? Quick. 37.5. Very good. 37.5. Now 5 times of this will be what? This is 5 times of this, right? 62.5. See guys, 12 into 5 is 60. 0.5 into 5 is like 5 ka half, will be 2.5. So 62.5. Again, all of you, 7 times of this. Right? 12 into 7 is what? 84. And 7 ka half will be 3.5. These two values will be added, right? 87.5%. Everyone, yes or no? Guys, clear? Right? Okay. So if you want to write it down, you may please write it down, right? Else it is okay. Huh? Yes. All right. Yes, those who are sitting online, Arun, Muskan, Surya, Ravi Kiran, Kritika, Yudhishthir. Oh, Yudhishthir. And Dhirendra. Guys, hope it is clear to all of you. Everyone? Shall we move now? Right? Okay. All right. That's great. So after that, that's great. देखिए जो base values हैं, you just have to remember the base values. For example, let's say you should know about 1 by 9. It is not required that you should be knowing about 4 by 9, but you must be knowing about 1 by 9. 1 by 9 is what? 11 1 by 9. So if 4 by 9 is being asked, then 11 1 by 9 into 4. So that will be 44 4 by 9. Guys, clear? So you should be knowing about the base value rather than learning all the values, right? Okay. After that, oh. Sorry, yaar. So just a coincidence. So guys, 1 by 9 is 11 1 by 9%. Now 4 by 9 means what? 4 times of this. So this is 44 4 by 9. Everybody? Now what is 5 by 9 of this? I mean, what is 5 times of this? 55. ठीक है. What is 7 by 9? So 77 7 by 9. And what is this? आप बताइए.
88.
हाँ. Yes. So this is 88 8 by 9. Everyone clear? Guys, it's fine. All right. ठीक है. So you just be knowing about the base values. That's it. Right? All right. Let's move to the next slide. 3 by 11. Guys, what is 1 by 11? Everyone? What is 1 by 11? Yes. 9 1 by 11%. Right? Okay. So 3 by 11 will be what? Just tell me. 27. 3 by 11%. Okay. 5 by 11 will be what? 45. Everyone, yes or no? Okay. 6 by 11. बताइए. हाँ? 54. 6 by 11. All right. ठीक है. Okay. After that, 7 by 11, guys. Yeah. 63. 7 by 11. Right? So you should be knowing about the base value only. Rest everything will fall in place. Right? That's it. Okay? All right. And here, like, intentionally I have taken those values which are actually frequently used values. Right? For example, 1 by 11, 1 by 9, 1 by 5, 1 by 6. Right? Okay, everyone. मुझे बताइए जरा, randomly, 1 by 16 कितना होना चाहिए? Yes. What should be the value of 1 by 16?
6 5 4 by.
हाँ. 6 4 by 6 4 by क्या होता है? आप you are thinking in the right direction. हाँ. It is half of 12.5, right? Guys, this is half of 12.5. So this is 6.25 or 6 1 by 4. 6 1 by 4 or 6.25, right? So this is 6 1 by 4 or 6.25. Guys, yes or no? Why? Because 1 by 8 is 12.5. So this is half of 1 by 8. Yes or no? Right? So this is 6.25, or you can say it is 6 1 by 4%. Everybody fine now? Harsh, are you getting it? Huh? Okay, good. Aditya, done? All of you fine now? Shall we move, guys? Okay. Chaliye acha. Now, 5 by 6. Guys, what is 1 by 6? Huh? 16 2 by 3. Very good. Okay. 16 2 by 3. Everybody. 16 2 by 3. ठीक है. Now, what you have to do to find this value? You just have to multiply this value with 5. Everyone. If you multiply this with 5, 16 into 5 will be what? 80. ठीक है. And 2 into 5 will be what? 10. So this is 80 and 10 by 3. So everyone, 10 by 3 is in itself, it's a mixed fraction. This will be what? 3 1 by 3. Right? So this 80 and this 3 will be added. So what this will become? 83 1 by 3. Okay, good. And guys, I intentionally taken these two values together. Why? I'll tell you. This is what, guys, just think on it. Don't think about this value as 7 by 6. Think about this value as 1 plus 1 by 6. Yes or no, guys? Right? Okay. Now, if you are saying this is 16 2 by 3, so 1 is equal to 100, and this is 16 2 by 3, so the entire value becomes 116 2 by 3%. Yes or no? See, this is 100% plus 16 2 by 3%. Yes or no? Right? Why? Because 1 by 2 is 50, so 1 is what? 100. Right? So this is actually 100% plus 16 2 by 3%. So that is 116 2 by 3%. Everyone, yes or no? So this is 116 2 by 3%. So if somebody is saying it is 7 by 6, so this is 116 2 by 3%. Nice. Comfortable? All of you? Harsh, it's fine. Aditya, done? Vimi, it's fine. Okay. Hanji. Online students, guys, any query, any doubt, any confusion? No? Okay, okay, that's great. Now guys, let's take some good questions based on it. Huh? ठीक है, एक और बताइए मुझे. इसको अच्छा ठीक है, इसको कर लेते हैं चलिए. See guys, what is 1 by 7? Yes, the base value is, the base value is 14 2 by 7, everybody, right? 1 by 7 is 14 2 by 7. Now guys, you just have to tell me the values quickly. This is 14 2 by 7, huh? ठीक है. Double of this will be what? Quick.
28 4 by 7.
ठीक है, very good. After that, triple of this, huh? 42,
3 by 7.
good. After that, 4 times of this, guys. पहले बताइए मुझे.
56 4 by 7.
56,
4 by 7.
4 by 7. Or something else. Yes, guys, this is like, see, this is 2 by 7, huh? Quick. बताइए. 8 by 7 means what? 1 will be added to 56, right? So this will become what? 57 1 by 7%. Everyone, think about it. This value, this entire value will be multiplied with 4. So 14 2 by 7 into 4 times, right? So this is 56 and this is 8 by 7. Fine. So this 8 is again a mixed fraction. So 1 will be added to this. It is 1 1 by 7. So 1 will be added to this. So this will become 57 1 by 7%. And guys, this value is actually an important value, right? Let me tell you frankly, 4 by 7 is an important value. ये आपको अक्सर देखने को मिलेगा, right? 4 by 7 is an important value. And guys, now put down your pens and tell me the answer of 5 by 7. What is 5 by 7, guys? Quick. What is 5 by 7? Yes. What is 5 by 7, guys? Huh?
81.
Acha. What is 5 by 7, guys? Don't use pen. No, no, no. No, no.
79.
Yes, 71. And? 71 and? See, all of you, 71 is the correct value. And after that, don't worry, कोई बात नहीं. देखिए, this is 70, ठीक है? This is 70 and this is 10 by 7, right? So 1 will be coming to here and 3 is left, right? So 71, 3 by 7. Guys, yes or no? यही होगा? Check कर लीजिए एक बार. Right? Because 10 by 7 is what? 10 by 7 is 1 3 by 7. Correct? Right? So 1 will be added to 70 and then 3 by 7 more. So 71 3 by 7%. Guys, it is clear? Right? So shall we done now? Huh? Any doubt, friends? Anyone? Any confusion? Right? So this is basic calculation, right? And मैं आपको बताऊँ guys, CSAT will never try to check your calculation, कभी नहीं, right? And ये सब problems आपको आएंगी भी नहीं एग्जाम में. आप कुछ ना कुछ करके थोड़ी सी कैलकुलेशन कर भी लेंगे वहाँ पे तो हो जाएगा, right? So this is not the problem, but yes, it is advisable कि अगर आपको पहले से पता हो, जैसे कि मान लीजिए कि if you don't know what 17 into 7 suppose that, so you can do it in the examination, no problem in that. But 17 into 7, if you know directly, what is the value of 17 into 7, guys? 119. Yeah. So if you know it directly, so in the examination, it will give you an edge, right? Okay, everyone, fine? Okay, chaliye. After that, see guys, it's fine now. Shall we move? Huh? Okay. After that, guys, मुझे ये बताइए, question is saying some important fractional values. I mean, what is the fractional values corresponding to this percentage? हाँ, ये क्या लिखा हुआ है पहले तो ये बताइए. This is 100 plus 6 2 by 3. Guys, what is 6 2 by 3? 1 by? अभी थोड़ी देर पहले 1 by 15. Yes. So everyone, this is 100% plus 6 2 by 3%, and 6 2 by 3 is 1 by 15. So this is 1 plus 1 by 15. So this is 16 by 15, everybody, right? Everyone, yes or no? Done? अच्छा. अब मुझे बताइए इसको मैं कैसे करूं? अच्छा, and one more thing, all of you, एक बार इधर देखिए जरा. See guys, what is this? We have solved just recently. Yes, very good. So this entire is 4 by 7. So guys, this is 400% plus 4 by 7. And 400 means, which is 4. So 4 plus 4 by 7. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 4, this is 32 by 7. Very good, guys. Right, all of you? So this is equivalent to 32 by 7. Okay. Right, all of you? Yes, guys, done? Give me any doubt? Sure? Okay. Aditya, any confusion? No? All right. Sharing? Comfortable? That's good. Shall we move now, guys? Huh? Okay. Akram, ठीक है? चलिए. After that, guys, अब इस क्वेश्चन को आप करेंगे नहीं, right? You just have to read this question. All of you put on your pens. You just have to read this question. Friends, I'll tell you the two processes for this question. Fine. मुझे ये बताइए, what this question is saying, if 16 2 by 3% of a number, what is 16 2 by 3, guys, in fraction? 1 by 6. Question is saying if 1 by 6 of a number is added to the number itself, So guys, if 1 by 6 of a number is added to the number itself, then number becomes what? Number becomes 7 by 6. See, if let's say the number is 1, 1 plus 1 by 6, the entire value will become 7 by 6. Guys, yes or no? Right? So just by adding this, just by reading this, you can say, now the value will become 7 by 6 of itself, right? And the question is saying that becomes 1470. So 7 by 6 of a number is 1470. Then what is the actual number? This is the question, guys. Getting the meaning of the question? Now guys, what is this? 147, this 147 divided by 7, kitna hoga? Yeah, 21. So this is 210. This is 210 into 6. The number is 210 into 6. Guys, what is this? 1260. So the original number is 1260, everybody. Right? So this is the first process. Right? One more process, as I promised. Huh? See, all of you, just look at this. In these type of questions, everyone, in these type of questions, just to ease your calculation, what you can think about these, this number, the original number. They are saying 1/6 of the number is added to the number, right? So just assume the original number is 6 units, right? Now 1/6 of this number will be 1. So that number will become 7 units, right? 7 units is given as 1470. So 1 unit is equal to 210. So original number that we have assumed is 6 units. So 6 units is equal to what? 1260. So you can think like this or think like this. Both the things are almost similar, guys. Right? Friends, any confusion? Akram? No? Acha. Alright. So all of you fine now? Friends, any doubt, any query, any confusion? Yep. Aditya, any query? Done? Okay, that's great. Everyone's clear now? So from next question onwards, you just have to tell me the process, right? And you need to solve this question just by thinking only, right? And let me tell you, within 5 seconds you can solve this question in the examination, right? All of you, shall you move? Everybody? Done? देखिए इधर देखिए जरा. All of you, just look at the board, please. Everyone just stop writing and look at the board. मुझे बताइए जरा, what this line is telling you. सिर्फ इतना बताइए. Yes, the number becomes 5 by 6 of itself, and which is equal to what? Yes, 5 by 6 is 1560. Guys, when you read this number, read like 1560 more, right? So what is this? 3, 1, 2. Right? 60 by 5 will be 12, right? So the original number will be what? 312 into 6. So 300 into 6 is 1800. 12 into 6 is 12. So this is 1812. Guys, done? Friends, any doubt? No? Clear? Okay? Yeah. This time the question is saying if 1 by 6 of a number is subtracted from the number, so which is 1 minus 1 by 6, that becomes 5 by 6. So original number will become 5 by 6 of itself, and which is given as 1560. Right? Okay. All of you is fine now? All right. ठीक है. Yes, online students, guys, any doubt, any confusion, any query, any problem? No? None? ठीक है? Vaishali, what? हाँ, please. Second method is what? 5 is equal to 1560. Because you need to assume the number as 6 units because it is 1 by 6th. Right? This is 1 by 6th. So you just assume the number as 6 units because you need to find 1 by 6th of that number. So assume this as 6 units. So if 6 minus 1 by 6, which is 1, so that becomes 5 units. So 5 units is equal to this. Right? Almost similar thing actually. Everybody fine now? Right? Okay. All right. चलिए. ठीक है. Let's move to the next question, guys. आगे बढ़े हम लोग. हम. Yes, everyone. इधर देखिए जरा. Yes. मुझे बताइए कितना बन गया ये? कितना हो गया? Quick. क्या? 1620 is the final answer. मुझे यहाँ तक बताइए जरा. 10 by 9. Yes, 10 by 9 is given as 1800. Right? So actual number will be what? 10 by 9 is equal to 1800. So actual number will be 1800 into 9. 1800 nahi. 180 into 9. Right? 180 into 9 will be the actual answer. Right, everyone? 180 into 9. देखिए. See, this is 1 by 9. 1 by 9 is added to the number, so that will become 10 by 9. 10 by 9 is given as 1800. So this is 180. 180 into 9 is the actual answer, right? 18 into 9 is 162. So this is the answer. Everybody, yes or no? Right? Now this time you have to tell me the answer, friends. ठीक है? आप इसको नोट करिए and मुझे आपको आंसर बताना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? Right? Any doubt, guys? Any confusion? No? ठीक है? आगे बढ़े हम लोग? Everyone? Shall we move? पांडे जी, it's fine? Okay, इस बार आंसर बताइएगा. ठीक है? चलिए. Everyone, इधर देखिए जरा, please, guys, इधर देखिए. Yes. Quick. हाँ, very good. 8 by 9 is equal to 560, right? So 70 into 9 will be the answer. Just think on it, right? Everybody. Yes. See, this is 1 by 9. So you are subtracting 1 by 9, so the number becomes 8 by 9. 8 by 9 is equal to 560. So this is 70. So 70 into 9, this is 9 into 7 is 63. So the answer is 630. Guys, it's fine now, right? The answer is 630. Okay. All right, very good. Friends, any doubt? No? Right? So just try to develop this thought process. वो बन जाएगा धीरे धीरे. Right? Shall we move? Everyone, shall we move? Oh, okay. इधर देखिए जरा. Guys, इसको आपको करना नहीं है, ठीक? You just try to tell me what this question is. Very good. Very good. See, all of you, just read this question. The question is saying if 64 is added to the number, then the number becomes this much of itself. ठीक है? Everyone, number becomes this much % of itself. It means what is being added to the number. So just think on it. If something is added to the original number is always this, right? If something is added to the original number, then number becomes 157 1 by 7% of itself. Guys, are you getting this equation or not? आप मुझे बताइए किसी नंबर में कितना परसेंट ऐड करें कि वो इतना बन जाए. तो ऑब्वियसली 100 से जितना एक्स्ट्रा उतना ऐड किया गया है, राइट? सो दिस इज दिस मच मोर देन 100 एक्चुअली. So it means this is added to the number, right? and the question is saying 64 is being added to the number. So this much percent of the number is equal to 64. Yes or no, guys? Right? So everybody, 57 1 by 7% of the number is equal to 64, right? And what is this? Very good. This is 4 by 7. So 4 by 7 of a number is equal to 64. All of you, this is 16. The original number will be what? 16 into 7. What is 16 into 7? Right. All of you, done? ओरिजिनल नंबर क्या होता है? हर नंबर अपना 100% होता है ना, इसमें पता चलने की क्या बात है? ओरिजिनल नंबर का मतलब क्या होता है? 100%. That's it. ठीक है? All right. Shall we move now? Okay. आदित्य, comfortable? हाँ, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप मुझे बताएंगे, ठीक है? राइट? आर यू रेडी? ऑलराइट. ओके, चलिए जरा. सो गाइस, नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मैं हटाऊं से? लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अच्छा रुक जाइए, थोड़ा सा ज्यादा हो गया. मुझे बताइए व्हाट इज बीइंग एडेड हियर, राइट? सो जस्ट थिंक ऑन इट. सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग इफ 1240 is added to the number, then it becomes this much percent of itself. Guys, what is original number? Original number is always 100%. Now, so what is being added? So this much is added actually, yes, right? So now don't try to write it this much. Try to break it once again. Yeah, make it 300 plus 44 4 by 9. Guys, what is this? What is this, guys? अच्छा,
नहीं 3 by 9.
अच्छा,
Base is 1 by 9.
yeah, correct. It is 4 by 9, guys. See, 1 by 9 is what? 1 by 9 is 11 1 by 9, right? Vaishali, you were right, but you could not think about this, right? So this is 11. Now 11 into 4 becomes 44. So this value is nothing but 4 by 9%. I mean 4 by 9 actually, right? So this is 1 plus 3 plus 4 by 9. Now guys, what is added to the number? This much value is added to the number, right? Fine. And what is this? 3 into 7 is, 9 into 3 is what? 27. 27 plus 4 is 31. So this is 1 plus 31 by 9. So this is 31 by 9 is added to the number. So 31 by 9 of a number is equal to 1240. Guys, मुझे ये बताइए, 31 into 4 is 124, right? So this is 40. 40 into 9 is 360. 40 into 9, right? This is 360. So guys, the original number is 360. This is the answer, right? Okay? Yes, all of you just think about it. Any doubt, friends? Any confusion? Any query? Anyone in the class? कोई बात नहीं, बताइए. मुझे ये बताइए कि नंबर में क्या जोड़ा गया. नंबर में व्हाट दे हैव एडेड दिस मच टू द नंबर, राइट? नाउ 100% is 1, 300% is 3, and this is 4 by 9. You have told me, right? So 3 plus 4 by 9. 3 plus 4 by 9 is what? 31 by 9. So what is being added to the number? 31 by 9 of itself is being added to the number, and which is given as 1240 in the question. Question कह रहा है कि 1240 ऐड किया गया है तो नंबर अपने इतने परसेंट हो गया है.
वो परसेंटेज कहाँ है? 100% 300%?
कहाँ से आया?
कहाँ गया?
कहाँ गया? अरे भाई देखिए देखिए 100% क्या होता है, मुझे एक बात बताइए, 1/2 आप कह रहे हैं 50% होता है, ठीक यही है, तो 1/1 कितना होना चाहिए? राइट, ठीक है, ओके। यस फ्रेंड्स, एनी अदर डाउट, एनी कंफ्यूजन? विशाल?
इसमें जैसे हमने 31/9 कर दिया, 1 को ऐड नहीं किया, सर ये कंफ्यूजन है कि इसमें 1 को ऐड
1 को कभी 1 को क्यों ऐड करना? वो ये कह रहे हैं कि 1240 ऐड किया गया है नंबर में, नंबर क्या होता है? नंबर तो 1 है ना, हाँ, तो 1 को कभी आपको साथ में नहीं लेना होगा, 1 हमेशा अलग रहेगा, राइट, ठीक है। यस, ऑल ऑफ यू गाइज, इट इज क्लियर? एनी अदर डाउट? हर्ष, इट्स फाइन, ओके। पांडे जी अभी ठीक है?
सर हर केस में 1 को नहीं लेना है।
नहीं, ये क्वेश्चन पे डिपेंड करेगा, राइट, उसको याद मत करिए, उसको सोचिए जरा। मुझे एक बात बताइए, सीधी सी बात ये है कि अगर कोई नंबर अपना इतना हो गया तो इसका मतलब ये 100% में कितना ऐड किया गया होगा, ये सोचिए आप। सो 100% में दे मस्ट हैव एडेड 344 4/9%, राइट? सो दिस मच हैज बीन एडेड, आई मीन टू द 100%।
तो सर 1 इज इक्वल टू 360।
हाँ, ओरिजिनल वैल्यू इज 360, यस, करेक्ट करेक्ट, ठीक है। यस, व्हाट? See, 1 is what? 1 is 100%. So 100% is what? 360. That you have calculated, no? The original value of the number is what? 360. Oh, oh, बल्ब जल गया ऐसा लग रहा है, हाँ। क्या हो गया, फिर से फ्यूज हो गया? What happened, वैशाली? हाँ, Got it? अच्छा, चलिए। Shall we move now, guys? हाँ? Any other doubt, friends? हाँ, ठीक है। देखिए, in this chapter आपको सिर्फ कैलकुलेशन ही करना है, राइट? इसको बताइए सर, guys, please don't write anything. Just tell me.
37
37?
1/2 is 21। 1/2 is 21।
Yes, 37 1/2 होता कितना है?
तो 37 1/8।
3/8. 3/8 is 21. Then what is the number? 56. Very good. Guys, it is clear? Right? Okay. देखिए वैशाली, सिर्फ अकरम के साथ बैठने में कुछ नहीं होगा। अकरम के ऐसा सोचा, अच्छा, शी इज सेइंग कि मैं नहीं बैठ रही, वो आगे मेरे पास बैठ जाता है। यस, एवरीवन, इसको देखिए जरा, इसको समझिए। देखिए, question is saying if 21 is added to the number becomes 137.5%, right? So which means you are actually adding this value to the number to make it this. Guys, yes or no? Right? Huh? Question is saying 21 is added to the number. So this value is equal to 21, so 37.5% is equal to 3/8. So 3/8 of the number is 21, right? So this is 7 and this is 8 into 7, which is 56. So original number is what? Original number is 56, right? Guys, it is clear now? Okay? Done? Guys, done? ठीक है, चलिए। ओके, shall we move? All right. After that, yes, everyone, बताएं जरा, what is being added? पहले तो ये बताइए। 66 2/3. What is 66 2/3? 2/3. What is 2/3? 20. What is the number? 30. Now, Right?
So you had 66 too many.
Yes. 66, 2 by 3 is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is 20. Right? So 1 by 1 is the like 30. UPSC lover Ishwar. Oh. UPSC lover Ishwar is saying, sir, I'm a big fan of your smile. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you, Ishwar. Thank you. All right. All right. So, oh. Anyways. Yes. चलिए सर. Yes, all of you. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. हाँ. Okay. So hope it is clear to all of you. Huh? Everyone? Hope it's clear. Any confusion, friends? Any doubt? Any query? I mean, till here? No? All right, that's good. So after that, everyone, just look at this question. Question is saying, the next question is, oh, now we move to effective percentage. See everyone, effective percentage change is what? Right? Let me tell you. Whenever we have the product of two or more than two quantities, right? I repeat, whenever we have the product of two or more than two quantities, where one quantity is changing with some percentage and another quantity is changing with some other percentage, then product is changing by what percentage? This type of question will be solved in this chapter, in this subtopic, right? And let me tell you guys, for example, if you talk about the examples of this type of phenomenon is, so let's say the rectangle, right? So length is changing by, let's say, some percentage, breadth is also changing by some other percentage of rectangle, and the question is, what is the overall change in the area of the rectangle, right? So area of the rectangle is what? It is length into breadth. So this is the product of two quantities, right? So in product, we will use this concept, guys. Fine. And let me tell you, friends, here, this fractional values will be very important. Fine. I'll show you which type of application would be here. एक बार जरा देखिए. Question is saying, मुझे बताइए जरा. Question is saying, if length of the rectangle is increased by 10% and the breadth is increased by 20%, then what will be the overall change in the area of the rectangle, right? So all of you, initial and final, right? This is length, this is breadth, and this is area, right? Just think about it, guys. This is 10%. 10% is what? 1/10. Okay? So I'll assume the length as 10 to make the calculation easier, because to find 1/10 of this value would be easier, right? So this is increased by 1/10. So if 1/10 is of what? What of this value will be 1? So initially if it was 10, then finally it will be 11. Now breadth we have assumed as 10. So if initially it was 10, then finally it will be what? 12, because it is increased by 20%. So it will be increased by 2. Guys, yes or no? Right? And area of the rectangle is what? Length into breadth, which is 100. And this will be what? 132. Everybody, huh? This is like 12 into 11 we have to do. So just write the sum of these two values between them. Right? ये पता है ना आप लोगों को? वैशाली आपको नहीं पता? Okay, देखिए. Normal product is what? समझिए जरा बात को. 11 into 12. So normal product will be 12, 12, and they will be added, so this becomes 132. So this value will always be the sum of these two values, right? And this is applicable only for when the sum is less than or equal to 9. If the sum is more than 9, then this process won't be applicable, right? So all of you, for example, 11 into 25. Can you tell me the result directly? Quick. Are bolo. The 7, the sum of 5 and 2 is what? 7. So just write that value in between. ठीक है? Okay, again, मुझे बताइए जरा. 62 into 11, what will be the answer? हाँ, बोलिए. 682. The sum of these two will be written here. That's it. अगेन 36 into 11 guys, quick. वैशाली आप बताइए. या वेरी गुड, ठीक है. अगेन वन मोर. आदित्य, इस बार आप बताएंगे. 27 into 11, what is the answer? हाँ, very good. Everybody fine now? It's clear now? All of you? वैशाली, what happened? आ गया समझ में? हाँ. यस. अच्छा चलिए, मैं इसको हटाता हूँ, ठीक है.
सर ये वाला रूल जरा
अच्छा रुक जाइए, ठीक है, चलिए. हाँ बताइए.
ये वाला रूल एक बार बताइए.
मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ, इसमें कोई रूल नहीं है, ये एक ऑब्जर्वेशन है. इसको बस ऑब्जर्व कीजिए कि लाइक यू आर गेटिंग दिस वैल्यू विद द समेशन ऑफ दीज टू नंबर्स ऑलवेज. आई मीन द नॉर्मल प्रोडक्ट इज डन लाइक दिस ओनली ना, राइट? कैसे करते हैं आप? मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करते हैं? देखिए. हाँ ऑब्वियसली. एंड वहां पे भी सम जो है 9 से बड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर 9 से बड़ा हो गया तो 10 हो जाएगा. तो जैसे लेट्स से 37 है, फाइन. 37 into 11, सपोज दैट इट इज रिटन लाइक दिस, राइट? सो 3 10 7 आप नहीं लिखेंगे, गलत हो जाएगा ये, राइट? सो व्हेन द सम इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू 9, देन ओनली दिस प्रोसेस वुड बी एप्लीकेबल, राइट? If sum becomes 10 or more than 10, then we have some other process. Let me that I'll be telling you like in the case of divisibility. जब हम लोग पढ़ेंगे divisibility तब मैं बता दूंगा, ठीक है? ये क्लियर हो गया अभी आपको, राइट? रूल में कुछ नहीं करना है. देखिए, जैसे 13 को अगर आपको 11 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, ठीक, तो 1 + 3 की वैल्यू 4 होती है. ये लिख दो बस, ये रिजल्ट है, ये आंसर है, राइट? 143 ये आंसर है इसका, ठीक. फिर से बता देता हूं. लेट्स से 16 को आपको 11 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. आप बताइए पांडे जी, व्हाट इज द आंसर?
176.
वेरी गुड, इट इज 176. ठीक है. ऑल ऑफ यू फाइन नाउ? एवरीबडी क्लियर? ओके. नाउ let us talk about the original question that we were solving here. So this was the original question, guys. ठीक है?
सर ये 11 वाले में ही आएगा?
11 में ही आएगा बस, और कहीं नहीं आएगा. राइट? ठीक है. ओके. सो ऑल ऑफ यू इधर देखिए जरा. मुझे ये बताइए, द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द ओवरऑल चेंज in the area of the rectangle. The question was this: what is the overall change in the area of the rectangle? Guys, initial area was 100. The new area is 32, 132, right? So by how much percentage it is increased? Yes. So area is increased by 32%, guys. Everybody clear now? Area is increased by 32%. Guys, it is fine? Okay? Done? आप इसको नोट करें एंड लिखें वहां पे कि एरिया इज इंक्रीज्ड बाय 32%, बिकॉज वहां पे ऑप्शंस क्या होंगे? ऑप्शन में लिखा होगा 32%, बट 32% इंक्रीमेंट भी लिखा होगा वहां पे एंड 32% डिक्रीमेंट भी लिखा होगा, राइट? सो द ओवरऑल आंसर इज एरिया इज इंक्रीज्ड बाय 32%, राइट? एंड जस्ट बाय लुकिंग एट दिस क्वेश्चन यू कैन टेल द आंसर. ठीक है. अच्छा, मैं आपको एक बात और बताता हूं. पहले आप एक बार इसको नोट करें. Yes, all of you. Let me tell you one more thing. अभी नोट कर रहे हैं आप? अच्छा, लिख लीजिए, ठीक है. Done, all of you? Vishali, done? हो गया? वेरी गुड. चलिए जरा हटाऊं इसे. ऑल ऑफ यू एक बार इधर देखिए जरा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मुझे बताइए जरा, व्हाट शुड आई राइट? 10, आई मीन इनिशियल, फाइनल एंड लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ, एरिया. ठीक है. इनिशियली 10, फाइनली इट इज व्हाट? 9. Initially 10, finally it is what? 12. Multiply. This is 100, this is 108. What is the answer? Increment of 8%. Right? So area is increased by 8%. Everyone clear now? Right? Okay. All right. हो गया? All of you done? ठीक है. Now this time you have to tell me the answer first. All of you. Right. Put down your pen, everyone. Right. Yes, guys. Tell me the answer first. बताइए जरा. Yes. हाँ.
Decrease by 12%. Decrease by 12%.
Yes. See guys, here 100 is becoming 88. Right? 100 becomes 88. देखिए अब मैं लेंथ ब्रेड्थ कुछ नहीं लिख रहा हूँ, मैं डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन लिखता हूँ. 10 becomes 11, 10 becomes 8. Fine. So 100 becomes 88. So this is decrement of 12%, guys. Right? All of it is clear? Right? Done? Any doubt? Anyone? No? So in the examination, just by reading the question, you can, you just try to find the answer first. Right? और उसके बाद अगर कुछ लिखने की जरूरत है तो लिखिए, नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं, सीधे मार्क कर दीजिए OMR में. बस. Right? Okay. Shall we move now? All of you? Vaishali, what happened?
I didn't see decrease. So
Acha, you just increased everything, huh? Okay. Chaliye theek hai. After that, see everyone, now just read the question. The question is saying if the radius of a circle is increased by 10%, then what will be the change in the area of the circle, right? See everyone, if I talk about a circle, so what is the area of the circle, friends? Pi r square. So where r is a constant term, guys. Sorry, not r, pi. Pi is a constant term, which is 22/7 or 3.14, whatever you take it. So this is the constant value. Fine. So this is the constant. So if the area of the, if the area of the circle is being changed, it is changed due to the radius of the circle. Correct? And this you just consider as r into r. Right? This is the product of r into r, guys. Fine. So now, initial radius and final radius, let's say, and area. So guys, initially, what are they saying? Increased by 10. So this is 10 becomes 11. Right? So r square कर दूं मैं यहीं पे. So this 100 becomes what? 121. What is the increment? 21% increment, guys. ठीक है? Everybody okay? So just by looking at the question, you can tell me the answer. All right? So this is the increment of 21%. Yes, all of you done? Any doubt? Anyone in the class? No? आगे बढ़ जाए हम लोग. इसको देखिए जरा, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सी ऑल ऑफ यू ऐसे आंसर बताइए जरा मुझे, क्विक ऐसे ही बताइए जरा. एवरीवन जस्ट टेल मी द आंसर क्विकली.
19%.
Yes, 100 becomes 81. 10, 9, 10, 9. Right? So 10 square, 9 square. So 100 becomes 81. 9 square is 81. So 100 becomes 81. It means 19% decrement, guys. Okay? देखिए. 10 becomes 9. So 10 square becomes 9 square. So this is 100 becomes 81. So which is 19% decrement, guys. ठीक है? All of you done? ठीक है? Shall we move? Huh? Okay. After that, guys, मुझे ये बताइए, ये 3 टाइम्स है, ठीक है? क्यूब का वॉल्यूम क्या होता है? वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ क्यूब इज व्हाट? साइड क्यूब, हाँ, विच इज a into a into a, यही है ना? Volume of a cube is what? A cube, which is side cube, a into a into a, huh? So if I assumed the side, I mean initial and final. So let's say this is 10 and let's say this is 11. So volume will be what? 10 cube and as well as it is 11 cube. So this is 1000 and 11 cube is what, guys? Yeah. See everyone, आपको कम से कम 12 तक का क्यूब पता होना चाहिए. So do you know what is 3 cube, guys? 27. What is 4 cube? 64. What is 5 cube? 125. What is 6 cube? 216. What is 7 cube? 343. What is 8 cube? 512. Good. What is 9 cube? 729. Very good. 10 cube is 1000. 11 cube is 1331. 12 cube is what? Yes, 1728. Very good. Right? All of you fine now? Right? Okay. So you should be knowing the cubes till 12 at least. Friends, shall I move to the next question? And what will be the answer for this question? Just tell me the answer. 33.1%, right? Because this will be the increment of 331 with respect to 1000. 331 with respect to 1000, right? Okay, so this is 33.1% increment, everybody. All right. Okay, this is 33.1%. Okay. Okay, that's great. Done? Everyone? Okay. Okay. Shall we move now? Everyone? Shall we move now? Okay, that's great. इसके बाद देखिए, मुझे ये बताइए, this question is talking about cylinder. What is the volume of the cylinder, guys? Pi r square h. Do you know this or not?
Yes.
No? Thoda. So this is the volume of a cylinder, right? Pi r square h. So again, friends, here pi is the constant term. So if volume is changed, it is changed due to the change in the radius or change in the height or both of them, right? So r and h, initially we have assumed it as 10. 10 is increased by 10%, becomes 11. So initial and final. And then height is what? 20%. So 10 becomes 12. Everyone, ये बात आप समझ पा रहे हैं कि नहीं? All of you? Right? It's clear? But guys, what is volume? Volume is r square into h. So if I have to find r square, then 10 square and 11 square is 11 into 11, right? Strategically, I am writing it as 11 into 11. I could write it as 121 also, but no, it's not needed. After that, we need to find the volume. Initial volume will be 1000 and final volume will be 11 into 11 into 12, right? So guys, 11 into 12 will become what? 132, right? And 132 into 11, see guys, multiplying with 11 is an easier task because you just have to write the numbers like this and add them. So this is 1452, right? So 1000 becomes 1452. Everybody, what percentage increment? 45.2% increment. All of you clear? It is 45.2% increment, right? 45.2% increment. Okay? Okay. Friends, any doubt? Any confusion, guys? Any doubt? Anyone in the class? None, friends? Any doubt? Anyone in the class? हर्ष, ठीक है? Okay. आगे बढ़े हम लोग? All right. इसके बाद देखिए, now we have some questions where you just have to think logically. Guys, the question is saying, when the price of a product is reduced by 10%, the sale goes up by 30%. By what percentage the revenue got affected? Revenue is what, guys? Revenue is, just think about it, revenue is what? Revenue is sale into price. Just think on it, right? Price of one ticket into number of tickets sold is equal to the revenue that we have calculated, that we have collected, right? So this is again the product of two quantities. The first is price and the second is sale, right? So they are saying price is reduced by 10%, right everyone? So price, let's say initially you have assumed as 10, so now it becomes 9. And sale, if you assumed 10, it will become 13, right? So revenue, see, this is price and this is sale and this is revenue. So revenue is 100 and this will be 117. So revenue will go up by 17% with this strategy, guys, right? Okay, Vishal, what was the confusion? Okay, guys, it's clear now. Okay, okay, so revenue will go up by 17% with this strategy if you reduce the price. Okay, okay, all right, chaliye. ठीक है. Yes, everyone, fine now. ठीक है, अभी क्लियर है? Okay. चलिए जरा आगे बढ़िए. Successive change and discount. See everyone, successive change and discount and the process that we have used abhi just now, they are exactly same, right? Effective percentage change can also be used to find successive change, right everyone? Effective percentage change can also be used to find successive change. Okay? For example, everybody, just look at this question, right? Just look at this question. The question is saying the population of a town is increasing by 10% every year, then find the overall increment in the population after 2 years, right? So just think on it, friends. This question we can solve with two methods, right? Let's say the method number 1 and method number 2. Both the methods have their own importance. And I'll tell you when, you will also understand when to use which method. So let us assume the population as 100%. Let's say it is talking about 2024, right? So in 2025, this will become 110 with 10% increment. Guys, yes or no? Right? Now, 10% increment of this population will be recorded in next year. So let's say it is 2025 and in 2026. So 10% of this will be increased. So guys, 10% is what? 1/10, which is 11. 11 will be added to this will become 121, right? So overall increment is what? 21%, guys. And friends, in the previous method, what we are doing, 10 becomes 11 and 10 becomes 11. So if you multiply them, this will become 100 and this will become 121. See, all of you, just look at this. This is actually, you know what? This is a GP. GP is what? Geometric progression. And geometric progression is a series where the ratio of two consecutive terms is always remains the same. I repeat, a series where the ratio of two consecutive terms always remains the same throughout the series, guys. Right? So obviously, देखिए, ये 100% है, ये उसके respect में 110% है. I repeat, ये 100% है, ये उसके respect में 110% है. और वो होगा ही होगा because every year the population is increasing by 10%. So if you assume the base year as 10%, the next year it will be 110%, obviously. Right? So the ratio, if I talk about, the ratio becomes 10 by 11. If I just remove these numbers, just think on it. The ratio between these two terms will be 10 by 11. Yes or no, guys? Right? And again, the ratio between these two terms will again be 10:11. Think on it. Because this is 11 into 10, 11 into 11. So between these two numbers, the ratio is 10:11. Between these two numbers, this is 10 into 10, this is 10 into 11. Right? And that's what we have written here. For first year, it is 10:11. For second year, it is 10:11. Right? So overall, it is 100 and 121. So overall increment is 21%. Guys, getting it? So, both the processes are similar, both the methods are similar. Correct, guys? So either you can use this or you can use this. Right? Fine? And obviously you will achieve a situation where you don't have to write anything, you just have to read the value and tell the answer. एक टाइम ऐसा भी आ जाएगा. Right? इसको नोट करिए जरा, everyone. Yes. Yes, guys, done? All of you? Friends, done? Okay. All of you, please take out your book. Come to page number 199. Page 199. This is CSAT 2014. CSAT 2014. What the question is saying, guys, tell me. Page number 199, question number 4. Page number 199, question number 4. Got the question, guys? Huh? Page number 199, question number 4. 2014. Got the question? What is the question, telling to you guys? Just tell me. हाँ बताइए. Data बोलिए. What is the data, guys? Quick. Vimy, what the question? Huh? Area? Length is increased by 40%? Okay. So if the original length is 10, then finally it will be 14.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and?
With decrease by 20%.
With decrease by 20%?
Yes.
So if it was 10 initially, then finally it was 8. Yes. Right? So all of you, what is this? This is 100. And what is this? बोलिए. Yes, 112. So overall it is an increment of 12%, guys, right? So final area is increased by 12% of that rectangular garden. All of you fine now?
Yes.
Done? Clear? Okay. So this is the importance of this approach. Anyways, guys, shall we move to the next question? Huh? All right. Okay. After that, guys, just can you tell me the answer quick? ऐसे ही बताइए जरा. Quick. This we have solved. हाँ. ये 11 क्यूब 11 क्यूब होगा ना यार. 10 11 10 11 10 11. Right. All of you. देखिए इधर देखिए 10 11 10 11 10 11. Either you should do like this, right? So 1000 becomes 1331, right? So either you should do like this. So this will become 33.1% increment, correct? Or you can do like this. इधर देखिए 100 becomes 110. 110 becomes 121. And then, I mean, till here we have already solved. So we just have to increase this value by 10%. So 10% of this will be 12.1. 12.1 will be added to this value. This will give you 133.1. Right? So overall increment is what? 33.1%. Guys, fine. Done? Okay, good. All right. Friends, any doubt, any confusion, any query? Anyone in the class? Done? Okay. All right. Let's move to the next question, friends. हो गया ना ये? Feeling comfortable? Okay. ठीक है. अच्छा, okay. Okay. ठीक है. हटाऊं? ठीक है. अच्छा. गाइस, इसको ऐसे ही बताइए बिना कुछ किए हुए. 30% का मतलब क्या होता है? 10% का 3 times होता है, right? So you can solve this question with 2 process, right? मुझे बताइए 10 का कितना हुआ ये 11 हुआ और ये कितना हुआ 10 का 13. So 11 into 13 बोलिए 143. इसका मतलब what is the increment? 43%. Guys, getting it? तो देखिए एक बार रुक जाइए जरा, मैं लिख देता हूं आपके लिए दोनों प्रोसेस. इधर देखिए. See, all of you, the population of a town is increased. So there are 2 methods, right? So method number 1 and method number 2. So 10 becomes 11 and 10 becomes 13. So for first month 10 becomes 11. For second month the ratio becomes 10:13. Yes or no, guys? Huh? So 100 becomes 143. So this is the increment of 43%. Correct? After that, if I solve it like this, let's say the original was 100%. It was increased by 10%, so this becomes 110, right? Now this was increased by 30%. Guys, 30% of this, it means 10% into 3. 10% is 11. 11 into 3 is 33. 33 will be added to this value. This will become 143, right? Okay. So this is the increment of 43%, guys. ठीक है? Clear? All of you, it's clear? अच्छा, एक बात और बताता हूँ आपको. In successive change, guys, order does not matter. I repeat, in successive change, order does not matter. You should write this. Why? Let me tell you. आप यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं? Multiplication कर रहे हैं. Multiplication में order matter नहीं करता. अगर ये पहले 30% होता, बाद में 10% होता, तो 13 into 11 हो जाता. This expression would have been 13 into 11, right? So 13 into 11, either you are doing it 13 into 11 or you are doing it 11 into 13. The resultant will be same, right? So similarly, here also guys, just look at this. Here also, just look at this. 100 becomes, let's say 30 is the first year increment. So this is 130 and then 10 is the second year increment. So this will become like, yes, 13 will be added to this value. So this will become 143. Right guys? So in case of successive change, order does not matter. You should write it. In case of successive change, order does not matter, right? And friends, let me tell you, with this information, with this awareness, UPSC has asked one question, right? I repeat. एक बार इसको लिख लीजिए आप. In case of successive change, order does not matter. Okay? I repeat, in case of successive change, order does not matter. Guys, come to page number 201, question number 22. Page number 201, page 201, question 22. This was CSAT 2020 question, guys. You just have to read the question. करना नहीं है आपने. You just have to read the question. Page number 201, question number 22, CSAT 2020, guys. You please read the question, that's it. Right? Vaishali, क्या होना चाहिए? All the offers are same to the customer, right? Because only the order have changed, right? So इसको करने की जरूरत नहीं है. If you know it, then you will hardly take like 20 seconds to solve this question or 15 seconds. Else, for all the options, you will find the calculation and you will do it, right? Done? Okay. ठीक है, चलिए. All right. Yes, everyone. देखिए जरा, मुझे ये बताइए, इसको आप ऐसे ही करेंगे, राइट? गाइस, इधर देखिए जरा. आप यहां तक कर चुके हैं. Question is saying the population of a town is increased by 20%, 10%, and 10% in the 3 consecutive years. 20 and 10, you have already done it. What was the answer of 20 and 10? Huh? 20 and 10. What is the answer for 20 and 10? What is the answer of 20 and 10, Vaishali? You are my last hope only, huh? 32, yes. See, अरे यार एक बात बताओ, 20 and 10 का 10 का 11, 10 का 12, multiply. See, all of you, देखिए, 100, this is 20%, will become 120, right? And then 10%, 132, and then 10%, guys. Now, देखिए, 132 plus 13.2, yes or no? Yeah. So 145.2. Guys, this question we have solved earlier in case of cylinder, right? Where the base radius of the cylinder was increased by 10% and its height was increased by 20%. Do you remember? Right? आप चाहें तो चेक कर लीजिए, अभी अभी आपने लिखा है, right? Okay. And if I do like that, then 10 becomes 11, 10 becomes 11, 10 becomes 12, right? So we need to multiply this first. This will become 132, and 132 into 11 is 132, again 132. So this is 1452. So guys, the initial was 1000 and the final was 1452. So the increment was 45.2%, guys. यही है ना? This we have discussed or not? याद आ गया आपको? Right? Okay. ठीक है. हटाऊं इसे? ठीक है. After that, guys, मैं आपको बताऊं, ये जो questions है ना, ये strategically इतने easy set किए जाते हैं आपके लिए कि if you know the concept, you can solve this question within 5 seconds. इफ यू डोंट नो द कॉन्सेप्ट यू विल टेक पता नहीं कितना टाइम, राइट? फिर तो आप पे ही डिपेंड करता है. जैसे अभी थोड़ी देर पहले वी हैव सॉल्व्ड वन क्वेश्चन वेयर द ऑर्डर वाज चेंज्ड, राइट? बट ऑल द ऑप्शंस वर सेम. हियर गाइस, जस्ट रीड द क्वेश्चन. Just read the question, everyone. आपको करना नहीं, you please, हाँ, you please read the question. Right?
20%
Just read the question. Don't solve anything. Question is saying 10% of the soldiers in an army were killed in a battle, 10% of the remaining were died of disease, and 10% of the remaining got retired. If now 7,29,000 soldiers are left in the army, then find the initial number of soldiers. ठीक है? Everyone, what is being done here? बताइए. This is the successive decrement of 10%, 10%, 10%, 3 times. यही हुआ है ना? तो मुझे बताइए जरा, 10 becomes 9, 10 becomes 9, 10 becomes 9. Everybody, yes or no? यही हो रहा है ना? So this is what? 1000 and this is 729. See guys, according to you, if you assumed the initial numbers of soldiers in the army was 1000, then final number, like we write like this, na? Initial, final, initial, final. So if you assume the initial number of soldiers in the army was 1000, then final number was 729. What the question is saying? Right? So according to question, the final number is 729,000. Right? So according to question, so this is 1000 times. So 1000 times of this is 10 lakhs. Everybody, yes or no? Right? So these numbers are strategically, very convenient for you. Provided you should be able to understand, or you should be able to read between the lines. Right? Okay, here, this is what? This is the successive decrement of 10%, 10%, 10%, 3 times. Right? Okay. Okay. Guys, it's done?
Yes.
All right. Shall we move? Shall we move? Okay. चलिए. Yes. ये बात आपको समझ में आई है या नहीं आई है? Right? Okay. अच्छा guys, एक बात समझिए कि if there is an increment of 10%, 10%, 10%, 3 times, right? Increment of 10%, sorry. Increment of 10%. So for first time it is 10%, right? For second time it is 21%. For third time it is 33.1%. Guys, are you getting it? If a value is increased by 10%, 10%, 10% successively, so if it is increased for the first time, it is increased by 10%. If it is increased for one more time, it will be increased by 21%. If it is increased for one more time, it will be increased by 33.1%. Guys, it is clear? And if a value is successively decreased by 10%, then for the first time it is decreased by 10%, right? For the second time, if you are doing the same process, it is decreased by 19%. अभी आपने किया थोड़ी देर पहले, right? And for the third time, if you decrease it once again, it will be decreased by 27.1%. क्यों कह रहा हूं मैं ये बात? पता है आपको? देखिए, मुझे ये बताइए, if a decrement of 10%, right? So 10 becomes 9 for the very first time. again 10 becomes 9. So if you are doing it for the 2 times, so 100 becomes 81. So this is the decrement of 19%, guys. ठीक है? And if you are doing it for the 3 times, then 1000 becomes 729. So it is the decrement of what? Decrement of 271. Right? So this is the decrement of 27.1%. And if a value is successively decreased by 10% 3 times, so it becomes 72.9% of its original value. Everybody, yes or no? So these two values, I mean, ये जो values है ना, ये आपको याद होनी चाहिए by heart. ये question में आपको बहुत काम आएगा examination में. Getting it? मेथड 2 से कर दे. ठीक है, मेथड 2 से कर लीजिए. देखिए, मुझे ये बताइए. देखिए, इधर देखिए, आप ही देखिए पांडे जी. हाँ, 100 ओरिजिनल वैल्यू मैंने 100% एज्यूम किया. 10% का डिक्रीमेंट, सो 90 हो गया. I mean 10% were killed in a battle, so now it is 90. Again 90 का 10% जो है, they are died of disease, right? Yeah, so this becomes 81. Again 10% of this got retired, so 8.1 will be subtracted from this value, right? So when you subtract this value from, I mean 8.1 from this value, it will become 72.9, right? So this will become 72.9. यही लिखा हुआ है, देखिए, राइट? सो गाइस, ये चीजें जो है आपको बाय हार्ट याद हो जानी चाहिए परसेंटेज के केस में, इनफैक्ट. ठीक है?
72.9 क्या है?
देखिए, 72.9 ये है कि अगर मान लीजिए इनिशियली 100% था जो नंबर, वो अब घटते घटते 72.9% हो गया है.
तो इसको फिर उससे डिवाइड कर लेंगे, पता चल जाएगा.
मैं वही कह रहा हूं. तो 72.9% ऑफ द इनिशियल नंबर is equal to this. Then 100% of the initial number is what? Right? ठीक है? Clear? और आप ध्यान से देखिए जरा, 72.9% is equal to 729 और उसके बाद ये इतने जीरो. ठीक है? अब देखिए, अगर आप डेसिमल हटाते हैं इसका, तो यहां पे एक जीरो और लग जाएगा. राइट? मतलब 72.9, अगर आप इसका डेसिमल हटाते हैं तो यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस वैल्यू बाय 10 एंड डिवाइडिंग बाय 10. सो सॉरी, एक जीरो कम हो जाएगा. कुछ नहीं, ठीक है, वो सही है. आपको समझ आया? अरे यार, यस गाइस, इज इट क्लियर नाउ? एक जीरो बढ़ जाएगा एक्चुअली. देखिए, मैं कर देता हूं. देखिए, 72.9% is equal to this, then 729, like you have to multiply this value with 10 to remove this decimal, guys. So this will become 729 के बाद 4 zeros, right? So 100% will be what? 100 के बाद 4 zeros, right? Clear? So again you will get the answer as 10 lakhs. Clear? We have got the answer as 10 lakhs, guys. Huh? Okay. One more question. Now you just have to tell me the answer just by looking the value. Everyone, इसको देखिए जरा. करना नहीं है आपको, प्लीज. मुझे बताइए जरा. करना नहीं है, प्लीज. हाँ. पहले ये बताइए, एक मशीन जो कि 10% के रेट से डेप्रिशिएट हो रही है, वो 2 साल में कितना डेप्रिशिएट हो जाएगी? अपनी ओरिजिनल वैल्यू का 81% रह जाएगी, राइट? 81% is given as this. Right? Wait, double. 30. मतलब 2000 times. So 100% into 2000. 100 into 2000. This will be 2 lakhs. Right? देखिए. 81% is equal to 162,000. Then 100% is, so this is 2000 times, correct? So this is 2000 into 100. So this is like this. Everybody, yes or no? ये बात आपको समझ में आई है कि नहीं आई है? हाँ वैशाली? नो? मुझे एक बात बताइए, 10% के 2 डिक्रीमेंट हो रहे हैं अगर, तो एक वैल्यू अपनी ओरिजिनल वैल्यू का 81% रह जाएगी, राइट? मशीन की वैल्यू देखिए जरा. एक बार क्वेश्चन पढ़ लीजिए जरा. एवरीबॉडी एक बार क्वेश्चन पढ़ लीजिए. मुझे ये बताइए, लेट्स से यू हैव परचेज्ड अ मशीन इन 2022, राइट? सो इन 2022 द ओरिजिनल वैल्यू वाज लेट्स से 100%, हाँ ठीक. इन 2023 इट विल बिकम व्हाट? बोलिए. इट इज डेप्रिशिएटिंग बाय 10%, ठीक है. इन 2024, so 10% of this will be subtracted, so this will become 81%. So actually in 2 years, I mean if the value of the machine is depreciating by 10% each year, every year, so in 2 years it will become 81% of its original value, right? And which is given as, yes, 162,000.
That's the present value.
This is the present, 2024 is the present value. You have purchased the machine 2 years back, right? Read the question carefully. Okay? जैसे आपने कोई गाड़ी खरीदी आज से 5 साल पहले, तो जो वैल्यू रही होगी आज तो वो वैल्यू नहीं मिलेगी उसकी. क्लियर हो गया? ये वही है एक्चुअली, राइट? गाइस, इट इज क्लियर? ठीक है. So just by looking at the question you can tell the answer, if you have studied the logic carefully, right? Done? पांडे जी क्या सोच रहे हैं आप? हो गया. हाँ, आ गया समझ में. देखिए जरा इधर देखिए एवरीवन. वैशाली, इट्स फाइन नाउ, शैल यू मूव? हाँ, और एनी अदर डाउट? अच्छा ठीक है. वैशाली सिंह सर बहुत कुछ है लेकिन आप पढ़ाते रहिए सर, नहीं हो पाएगा. देखिए एवरीबॉडी, इसको देखिए जरा. ये जो क्वेश्चन है ना, आई वॉन्ट कि आप इसको बस देखें और समझें. देखिए इसमें लिखा हुआ है ड्यूरिंग 1 year द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ अ टाउन इंक्रीज्ड बाय 5% एंड ड्यूरिंग द सेकेंड ईयर इट वाज डिक्रीज्ड बाय 5%. द टोटल पॉपुलेशन इज दिस नाउ एट द एंड ऑफ द सेकेंड ईयर. देन व्हाट इज द पॉपुलेशन साइज इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द फर्स्ट ईयर? ठीक है, एक बार देखिए जरा. इनिशियल एंड फाइनल. 100 becomes what? 105. And here 100 becomes what? एक बार डिक्रीज हुआ, एक बार इंक्रीज हुआ. So this is the final. I mean initially was this, and guys this is 100 plus 500 minus 5. 100 plus 500 minus 5. A plus B, A minus B. So 100 square minus 5 square. 100 square is 10,000. 10,000 minus 25 will be? Yes, this is 9975. And look at the data, guys. Look at the data. कहाँ है data? Yes. Right. Guys, just look at this. Right? So look at the data, guys. कितना convenient रखा है उन्होंने आपके लिए. They just want to know कि आपको concept पता है कि नहीं पता है. Right? आप अपनी थोड़ी हेल्प करेंगे, वो आपकी बहुत सारी हेल्प करने को तैयार है. Right?
सर अगर 10 या 1000 थे तभी आंसर सेम ही आता था.
हाँ, आंसर सेम आएगा. आप कुछ भी ले लीजिए, वो फिर उससे मल्टीप्लाई या डिवाइड हो जाएगा, जो भी होना होगा.
1000 थे.
क्लियर हो गया अभी?
सर अगर 1000 थे
कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे? यहाँ पे 1000 लोगे कैसे? हाँ, बस एक दो क्वेश्चन और करेंगे और उसके बाद फिर हम लोग घर जाएंगे. हम बस 1-2 क्वेश्चन और करेंगे, राइट? और उसको अच्छे से करेंगे, ठीक है? नहीं, आज हम लोग जो पढ़ रहे हैं वो मैथ है, ये बात सही है. नंबर्स एंड ऑल ये मैथ्स है. लेकिन अभी तक हम लोग सिर्फ लॉजिक पढ़ रहे थे. ये भी लॉजिक ही है एक्चुअली. जब आप घर जाएंगे ना तो यू विल रियलाइज इट. एनीवेज, चलिए जरा इसको देखिए गाइस. यस, फाइंड आउट द ओवरऑल डिस्काउंट. एवरीवन, डिस्काउंट ऑफ 20% एंड 20%. मुझे बताइए 10 becomes 8, 10 becomes 8. What is this? 64 means yes, 36% discount. Guys, yes or no? एक बार पढ़िए. Right? 10 becomes 8, 10 becomes 8. So 100 becomes 64. What is the discount? 36%. Everybody, yes or no? Right? मैं लिख देता हूं, आप मत लिखिए, बस आप देखिए इसको. 10 becomes 8, 10 becomes 8, right? So 100 becomes 64. The discount is of 36%. Guys, clear? Right? ठीक है? Okay. करो यार क्या करो? Yes. So everyone, shall we move now? हाँ? देखिए, चलिए. अच्छा, एक आपको कैलकुलेशन बता देता हूँ गाइस. 7 into 8 into 9. ये ध्यान रखिएगा. All of you, please always remember this value. 7 into 8 into 9. This is 504. This is an important value. ठीक है? ये कैलकुलेशन में बहुत बार काम आएगी आपको. 7 into 8 into 9. This is 504. मुझे इसका आंसर बताइए जरा. ऐसे ही जो मैंने लिख दिया बस वही आंसर है, समझ लीजिए आप. अरे क्वेश्चन चेंज हो गया क्या? इसका आंसर बताइए. जो मैंने लिख दिया बस वही आंसर है. नो, 50.4 is the final value.
49.6.
Yes, the answer is 49.6. 49.6 is the discount, right? 50.4 is the final value, guys. Initial and final. So 10 becomes 9, 10 becomes 8, 10 becomes 7. So this is 7 into 8 into 9, which is 504, and this becomes 1000. Okay? So 49.6% is the overall discount. Everybody? The discount offer is 49.6%. Guys, it is clear? Right? Okay, very good. You please always remember 7 into 8 into 9. ये वैल्यू आपको बहुत काम आने वाली है लाइफ में. Right? And I'll tell you the questions also with this value. Okay? Shall we move? All right. Guys, tell me the answer quickly. 21. Everyone okay? Right? All right. Quick. Quick. 32. Right? ठीक है? Okay. ये जो है इसको आप चाहें तो रुक जाइए. अच्छा, इसको मैं कर देता हूँ. देखिए, 10 becomes 11, 10 becomes 12, 10 becomes 13, right? So this is 156 into 11. Huh? So 156, so 171.6. ठीक है? So guys, this is 71.6%. मुझे ये बताइए, कैलकुलेशन एक अलग चीज़ है, लेकिन आपको प्रोसेस तो क्लियर हो रहा है ना? राइट? कैलकुलेशन मैं तेजी से कर रहा हूँ, वो एक अलग बात है. बट होप यू आर गेटिंग द प्रोसेस. राइट एवरीवन? ठीक है? सो जस्ट राइट इट डाउन. एक बार आप लिख लीजिए. एंड मैं आपको ये भी बताता हूँ कि कभी कभी जरूरी नहीं कि आप इसको ऐसे ही करें. मैं क्वेश्चन एक करता हूँ. ठीक है? ये हो जाएगा ना? हटाऊँ इसे? हटाऊँ? देखिए, ऑल ऑफ यू एक बार इधर देखिए जरा. इसको देखिए. गाइस, फ्रैक्शनल वैल्यूज आर ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट. मुझे ये बताइए 25% क्या होता है? 1/4. और ये होता है 10% इंटू 3. ठीक है? देखिए, 100 becomes 120. राइट? नाउ इट इज इंक्रीज्ड बाय 25%. So 25% is actually 1/4. 1/4 of this will be what, guys? 30. So 30 will be added to this. This will become 150. Now 10% of this is 15. 3 times 45. 45 will be added to this. This will become 195. Right? So guys, the overall increment is 95%. Right? So you should be, you should be comfortable with each approach. When what will be used? You don't know the data actually. Right? Once again, okay. 100 increased by 20%. So this will become 120. That is simple, right? Now 120 increased by 25%. 25% is 1/4 actually, no? So 1/4 of this will be what? 30. So 30 will be added to this value. This will become 150, right? Now 150 will be increased by 30%, and 30% always remember 30% is 10% ka thrice. So 10% of this is 15. 15 into 3 is 45. So this value will be, 45 is added to this value. This will become 195. Everybody clear? हाँ 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 हाँ, सो उसमें 25 है ना, 25 में वो 12.5, हाँ वो ले सकते हैं लेकिन कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा, राइट? हम कर सकते हैं बट वो कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा। Guys done? Okay, चलिए next question. Tell me the answer, guys, quick.
Sir, 19.
Yes, very good. 19? Again. What this will become? पहले तो ये बताइए 10 becomes what? हाँ? And 10 becomes 8. 9 into 8? 72. What is the discount? 28. Right, everyone? Here the answer is 28%. Correct? All of you, any doubt? ठीक है, अब आगे बढ़िए, रुकिए. What is this? This is तो मुझे लगता है हो गया है 64. 64 का मतलब 36. ये 49.6 है, हो गया है, हटाइए. इसको देखिए गाइस, मैं इसको करवाना चाहता था आपको. अब रुकिए गाइस, ये जो वैल्यू है ना अक्रम, जो अभी आप पूछ रहे थे कि सर इसको कैसे हैंडल करें, राइट? देखिए मुझे ये बताइए, डू यू नो व्हाट इज द फ्रैक्शन करस्पॉन्डिंग टू दिस? हाँ हाँ, व्हाट इज द फ्रैक्शन? 3/8, राइट? 12.5 into 3 है ये. 12.5 is 1/8, so this is 3/8, right? All of you, इधर देखिए जरा. So this is 3/8, and what is this? This is 2/5. Correct? Everyone. Now just look at it. It is very interesting, you know. Just look at this. See guys, initially just assume this value as 8. Initial, final. If initially it is 8, and after reducing this value with 3/8, right? You reduce this value by 3/8. This will become what? 5. Very good. Initially it is 5, this will become what? 3. Right? Guys, let me tell you, आप इसको देखिए and मुझे ये बताइए, if you multiply these two values, this will become 40. If you multiply these two values, this will become 15, right? What is the discount? 25 with respect to 40. And guys, the discount of 25 with respect to 40 is what percentage? This you need to calculate, correct? Guys, this you need to calculate. So this is 5 and this is 8, right? Guys, just look at this. Just look at this. Here, why are we like dividing it here when division option is available here also? Because 5 is getting cancelled, right? Just look at this. 5 is getting cancelled. Why 5 is coming? Because you are multiplying 5, you are multiplying 5. So that's why just cancel this 5 here itself. Right? So what I'm trying to tell you is, if you are getting some value which is written in the first column and the same value is written in the second column, just cancel it here only. Right? So finally, you are just thinking that 8 is becoming 3. Equivalent to, this is equivalent to 8 becoming 3, right? If 8 is becoming 3, then this is the discount of 5 with respect to 8. So 5/8, guys, what is 5/8? ये अभी किया आपने थोड़ी देर पहले, right? Yes or no? इसको जरा नोट करें पहले आप, फिर मेरे से बात करें इसके बारे में, right? इसको प्लीज नोट करें. मैं समझाता हूं, पहले आप इसको नोट कर लें एक बार. पहले आप इसको नोट करें, फिर समझाया जाएगा आपको. यस एवरीवन, एक बार इधर देखिए पांडे जी, देखिए पहले मुझे ये बताइए कि आपको ये वाला पार्ट क्लियर हुआ है कि दिस इज 3/8, so we have assumed initial it was 8 and this is decreased by 3/8, so this is, I mean 8 is decreased by 3/8, so it is decreased by 3 effectively, so this will become 5, right? And now it is 2/5, so initially we have assumed this as 5, it is decreased by 2/5, it is decreased by 2, it means, so this will finally become 3, ठीक? Now this into this and this into this, ये ठीक है, right? Now you have to calculate here, initially it was 40 and finally it became 15. So 40 is decreased by 25. So we need to calculate 25 is what percentage of 40. So this is 25 divided by 40 into 100. So 5 get cancelled, right? आप ये देखो कि जब finally 5 को cancel ही होना है तो आप इस 5 को यहीं पे cancel कर दो, ठीक है? तो मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि एक वैल्यू जो फर्स्ट कॉलम में भी लिखी हुई है और वही सेम वैल्यू सेकंड कॉलम में भी लिखी हुई है, तो ट्राई टू कैंसिल दैट वैल्यू हियर इटसेल्फ, सो दैट यू कांट, यू शुड नॉट कैंसिल इट लाइक आगे, ठीक है? क्लियर एवरीवन? हाँ, ठीक है ना अभी प्रशांत, राइट? अच्छा, अब देखिए गाइस कि व्हेन यू कैंसल्ड इट हियर, सो इट मींस इफेक्टिवली इट इज 8 एंड इफेक्टिवली इट इज 3, सो 8 बिकम्स 3, ठीक है? So which means this is the reduction of 5 with respect to 8. So 5/8 in terms of percentage is 62.5. Correct everybody? अब देखिए मैं एक क्वेश्चन लिखता हूं आपके सामने और उसको मैं ऐसे कैंसिल करूंगा ऐसे कैंसिल करूंगा कि आपको मजा आ जाएगा देख के। हटाया जाए इसको राइट? हटाऊं? देखिए, क्योंकि मैंने इसको कैंसिल करने के लिए ही लिखा है सही बता रहा हूं मैं आपको। देखिए, all of you just tell me what is this? 1/9, very good. What is this? 1/8. What is this? What is this? Good. So guys, 9 becomes 8, ठीक? Decrement है ना? So initially it was 9 and finally it is 8. 8 becomes what? 7. 11 becomes what? 10. 10 becomes what? अब देखिए जरा क्या क्या कैंसिल हो रहा है, 9, 10 और 8, ओह, 11 becomes 7, right? So guys, when 11 becomes 7, so this is 4/11 everybody, right? 1/11 कितना होता है बताइए जरा मुझे।
44/4.
हाँ?
44/4.
मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ 1/11 कितना होता है? 9 1/11. अक्रम बहुत एक्साइटेड हो रहे हैं आप, हाँ? Now this into 4 will become 36. 4/11 guys, this is the final answer everyone, right? Getting it?
Yes sir.
Right? ठीक है, अभी समझ आया आप लोगों को, राइट? हाउ सिंपल दिस अप्रोच इज, और ये आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगी पैन इंडिया में, ये भी बता देता हूं मैं आपको राइट? तो गाइस इसको करिए जरा आराम से। डन? पक्का ये वाला क्लियर हो गया? हाँ, ये वाला क्लियर हो गया? अब एक क्वेश्चन आप करिए, ठीक? एक क्वेश्चन आप करिए। नहीं नहीं, बस एक क्वेश्चन है, बहुत सिंपल सा। एक क्वेश्चन बहुत सिंपल सा गाइस। ये क्या है? इधर देखिए, इधर देखिए, ये क्या है? ये क्या है? ये क्या है? इंक्रीमेंट। ये कितना लिखा हुआ है? 9. 9 becomes 10, और ये क्या लिखा हुआ
8
है?
become 9.
8 becomes 9. गाइस इधर देखो जरा. 9, सॉरी. बोलिए जरा. This is 1 by 9 and this is 1 by 8. So 9 becomes 10, 8 becomes 9. कुछ कैंसिल हो रहे हैं?
Yes, sir.
So finally 8 becomes 10. कितना हुआ ये? 2 का मतलब 2 with respect to 8. 1/4. 25%.
Yes, sir. 25%. Yes.
2 with respect to 8. This is 1/4. This is 25%. हो गया guys?
Yes, sir.
Right? So just by looking at the question, you can tell the answer. Right? पांडे जी ये समझ में आया आपको?
हाँ ये
आ गया? राइट? एक बार इसको आज जितना पढ़ा है हम लोगों ने ना, आज बस इतना ही रखते हैं गाइस. एंड आज जितना पढ़ा है हम लोगों ने, आप इसको घर जाके एक बार देख लीजिएगा अच्छे से, ठीक है? बिकॉज दिस नीड्स टू बी लाइक रिवाइज्ड. अगर आप रिवाइज नहीं करेंगे तो इट मे गेट स्किप्ड ऑल्सो, ठीक है? सो चलिए गाइस, थैंक यू सो वेरी मच. थैंक यू एवरीवन. थैंक्स. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.